So it's 2020 and wireless charging has become now a standard feature. Even OnePlus has finally decided to embark on this journey, unlike other big companies who had this feature for quite a years now, since 2015. So here in front of me today I have a vast variety of wireless charger, from the cheapest, like one from eBay, which this one costs €6, to a more mid-range wireless charger. This one is the StarQ ChargeONE, which is also used by other YouTubers such as MKBHD. And then this is a more high-end wireless charger, the Samsung Charger Wireless Duo Pad, which, as the name implies, can support up to 2 devices for charging. And this is the wireless charger for my smartwatch. I'll compare it to see how it does with this one as well. So let's compare them. So this brandless wireless charger is slow charging, and as you can see, if I were to put my phone onto it and it starts charging, it is emitting a lot of light. So if you are like me and where you would want complete darkness in the night, then this is not the one for you. So as I said, this is a slow charger. It's your conventional type of wireless charger, and I don't think it is quick charge, because there's nothing quick about it. If I were to read, it says 3 hours and 45 minutes until fully charged. So if you are in a hurry to charge your phone, check out this next wireless charger. So here I have the StarQ ChargeONE, retailing for $27 plus shipping. It has a nice texture to it, it's Quick Charge 3.0, and it comes in 2 different colors. This one is the stone gray, and then there's this charcoal black. Let me show you the charcoal one. I have it over here. It does have a nice packaging to it. It has even some confetti inside. So let's open it. This is the charcoal black. Now, as you can see, unfortunately the retailer is an American company, therefore the provided adapter is not the European version. So you are going to need to either get yourself an 18-watt Quick Charge 3.0 adapter or a universal adapter like this one. But as you can see, this is way too bulky, so I would opt for you to get a proper European adapter. So let's check out the charging speed. Okay, so this one is estimating almost 3 hours until fully charged. That's 50 minutes less than the eBay charger, and its LEDs are not that subtle. The only thing that annoys me about this one would be that it often starts blinking red, meaning it has detected metal, and then I would have to remove it and realign it. The cover definitely plays a role in it because it has magnets on the inside. But even when I do not have the cover on, it still does it sometimes. So that's something to keep an eye out for. As of this point, none of the previous wireless chargers can charge smartwatches, because if I were to place my watch on any of these 2 chargers, well, they do not charge, and in fact it is blinking red, like I said, because apart from being caused due to magnets, it also blinks red when you connect to it an unsupported device, like a smartwatch, for example. If I were to put it on this one, it does actually charge. That comes as a surprise actually to me. So it does not charge on a $27 plus shipping wireless charger, but it does charge on a €6 one. But it is indeed saying use original charger, so you can do a bit of a damage to its battery, so you shouldn't charge it on it anyways. Now, the Samsung Wireless Duo Pad supports Samsung standard Fast Charge 2.0. It has 2 charging stations, both of which you can charge your phone or your wireless earbuds on them. And yes, this one comes with a whopping 25-watt adapter, which is European plug. Now, to charge a smartphone, you must place it onto this one, the smaller one. So if I were, and it is capable of charging it without any problem or causing any damage to the battery itself, because it was intended for it primarily. And it says 1 hour and 45 minutes until fully charged. The same amount of time that you would get with its normal charger, this one. Now, if I put my phone over this one, let's see, it says 2 hours and 53 minutes until fully charged. But if I were to place it over this one, the larger pad, then it should say much less. Let's see. It says 1 hour and 36 minutes until fully charged. That's half the time of the StarQ and 2 hours and 15 minutes less than your typical wireless charger, like the one you get over eBay. And I haven't said the best part about this charger. It can charge up to 2 phones at the same time. So that's charging, and this one, although it is dead and broken, it is still charging. Okay, so you can charge 2 phones at the same time, and you get 2 LEDs, and as you can let's see, better angle, they are both red at the same time because both phones are not fully charged at the moment. And well, it has a nice premium finish to it as well, and the charge is at the same rate as with your wire charger. So right now it has 1 hour and 45 and 34 minutes until fully charged, and look, if I were to plug it in, it says 1 hour and 34 minutes until fully charged. It's the same, but with wireless charging you can just simply throw it there and it's charging, while you don't have to fidget around with the wire, and you don't risk damaging the port, which can be expensive to repair. So now I know what you're all asking. What's the price for this high-end wireless charger? Well, it normally retails at €100. That's the price I got it for. But right now there's a 50% discount. So head down to my link in the description below to get it for €49.90. That's actually more than 50% discounted. Well, go check it out. And if you don't like it as the black variant, there's also the white variant for the same price. So what's the verdict between these 3 different wireless chargers? Well, I guess it's a clear winner, right? The Samsung wireless charger DuoPad is the one for sure. It has 2 chargers in one for 3 times the charging rate of your conventional wireless charger like this one. So what you're waiting for? Go check it out in the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.